Children, welcome to today's art class. In today's class, our topic is recipes for paper mache clay. Our topic is recipes for paper mache clay. Paper mache clay usually refers to laying strips of paper dipped in glue or paper mache paste over a mold or structure. Paper clay is also known as paper mache. Clay is a mixture of paper pulp with a few simple ingredients like flour or school glue. It works very much like clay and dries very hard. It works very much like clay and dries very hard. Paper clay is less time consuming to use than adding layers of paper mache. Therefore, it is great for projects that requires more thickness or sculpture details. If you want something like a handmade clay bowl, paper mache clay is a better choice. The recipes for paper mache clay are number 1. You will need 3 cups or 400 to 500 grams of squeezed but still damp paper pulp to make about 4 to 5 cups of paper mache clay. To achieve that, you will need the following. Number 1. Half a roll or about 100 grams. Half a roll or about 100 grams of toilet paper. It is the easiest to turn into paper pulp. Number 2. Flour. Number 3. Glue. Number 4. Joint compound. Number 5. Large bowl. Number 6. Spoon. And number 7. Mixer. If you are lazy, you can use toilet paper exclusively. Newspaper takes a longer time of soak. Soak the toilet paper and squeeze it lightly. Add drywall joint compound to it. Alternatively, you can mix it with glue or paste if you can't find wall compound in your environment. Now, let us try the recipes. 1 cup of drywall joint compound. 3/4 cup of white glue. Mix it for like 7 minutes. Half cup of white flour. You use the flour to make it fluffy, then mix it together. You can use it to make any kind of sculpture. If you don't finish your paper mache clay, you can keep it for a couple of days or like a week. Put in a small containers and put it in a freezer. Remember, the purpose for the paper mache clay is to use it for molding. Into shapes or for any form of sculpture. This is the basic for paper mache and it can help you to do any form of project in the future. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoy the class. See you in the next class. Why should you subscribe to this channel? We upload basic art videos and artistic skill sets for children of all ages on a daily basis, starting from fundamental of art and craft for kids, drawing objects, nature art and nature craft, colors, and a lot more. Please subscribe to this channel, like and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.